A best folding elliptical trainer is the ideal workout machine to get you back in shape after a period of adding so much weight. Sometimes we find ourselves getting heavier because of several factors. For example, landing a desk job can make you inactive, and some fat can decide to accumulate in all the wrong places. In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best folding elliptical available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best folding elliptical, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Our team conducts all types of experiments with the latest products to give a good idea to the audience. With all our experiences, we justify the quality of the newly released products. Our product researchers, through their experiences, provide an actual buying guide list that ensures 3 aspects in the market. These are focused and listed according to price, customers' review, and ratings. Only a real user can justify the quality of a product. Based on those number of users and our tests, we provide every detail, working procedure, and suggestion for opening options to choose the right one. Our review contents: camping and outdoor gear, gadgets and accessories, survival and technical gear, PC and gaming device, health and fitness, home appliance, tools, kitchen gadgets, and transportation. Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us. Your satisfaction gives us the motivation for uploading more awesome videos. If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.
Buying guide present top 8 best folding elliptical. Let's get started with the list of the best folding elliptical. Number 1. NordicTrack Spacesaver SE7i Elliptical Trainers. Stride length 18. Incline motorized. Resistance 22 levels. Folding yes. NordicTrack is a big name in the home fitness market, and the brand has proven time and again that they know how to make a solid elliptical. This sleek mid-range offering is excellent for getting a sweat on at home, then folding away when you are done. Like our top choice, the SE7i boasts a plethora of features that provide an effective low-impact workout. For example, the stride length is 18. There's both motorized incline and 22 resistance levels, as well as 24 preset workout programs. The secondary features stand up to scrutiny for the price. This comprises a small but decent backlit screen, an auto-breeze cooling fan, and a media shelf for use with a tablet. Like the iFit system? The SE7i is fully compatible.
Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates.
Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness SFE902 Airwalk Trainer Elliptical Machine. Stride length 30. Incline none. Resistance none. Folding yes. For a real bargain, look no further than the super affordable SFE902 from Sunny Health and Fitness. This very lightweight elliptical comes in at just 37 pounds and folds to half its size, just 15x19x61. It's therefore ideal for apartments, condos, and dorm rooms. Despite its streamlined design, when in use it's pretty good. Sure, the lack of resistance won't appeal to everybody, but the long stride length, non-slip foot pads, and solid build inspire confidence. allowing you to run as fast as you like. The SFE902 is a minimalist unit in terms of features, although there's an adjustable abdominal pad to support yourself, while a small LCD monitor offers some data on your workout.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness SFE905 Elliptical Machine. Making exercise a daily habit can be boring at times. With the Sunny Health and Fitness SFE905 Elliptical Machine Cross Trainer, you get to experience something different. For those of us who find exercising daily as a nasty challenge, it is going to be fun, comfortable, and effective. You can customize the resistance level according to the intensity you like from among the 8 most effective magnetic resistance. To keep you motivated, the Sunny Health and Fitness SFE905 Elliptical Machine Cross Trainer has got something. It keeps displaying the number of calories burnt, pulse, total count, speed, and distance covered. Thus, you can have a clear idea of the workout you have been doing.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 4. Body Power 2-in-1 Elliptical Stepper Trainer. The Body Power Elliptical Stepper HIIT Trainer is here to enhance your workout energy. Stepping into a dead zone-free rotation, this equipment aims to provide a better cardio workout. Also, you are free to adjust your workout intensity by choosing among the resistance levels. As you can see the crank which is in the center of the bike, you can ensure a better workout by adjusting it according to your convenience. The LCD screen makes an effort by constantly displaying your workout results, i.e., total count, distance covered, heart rate, etc. With an amazing blend of an exercise stepper, an elliptical trainer, and a vertical climber, this equipment makes your workout fun-filled and effective.
Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates.
Number 5. Bowflex Max Trainer Series. The design of this best folding elliptical trainer is undoubtedly quite appealing. For some people, the aesthetic appeal is satisfying and motivating. But what about functionality? Bowflex Max Trainer M7 scores big when it comes to functionality. In particular, the trainer has up to 20 levels of resistance, quite sufficient for anyone looking for something challenging. Another essential feature that makes this machine the best foldable elliptical is the zero-impact workouts. The design of the pedals ensures that your feet are in constant contact and there is no impact. Therefore, your joints and knees are consequently safe from hard impacts. The moving handles and this folding elliptical trainer are significantly more effective than your typical elliptical machine. Your upper body gets the best workout and toning at the comfort of your home. Even better, the moving handles have ergonomic grips for comfort and efficiency.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 6. SereneLife Smart Electric Folding Treadmill. The SereneLife option is the best choice to get in the best running shape of your life. This treadmill makes it easy with its 12 different pre-programmed workouts. You will get a great amount of variety to always keep your workouts fresh. This treadmill is created for runners and has an adjustable incline so you can create even more intensity in your workout. It is also easy to fold up and store away with its hydraulic folding system. You will still be able to track your stats with the LCD. And it even has a heart rate monitor with built-in pulse sensors on the handlebars. The front console is also great to hold your tablet or phone, and you can even set up books and magazines with all the space provided.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 7. Sunny Health and Fitness ASUNA Premium Slim Folding Treadmill. The ASUNA is a unique space-saving treadmill. It is very compact but also features some great technology. It looks a bit different than traditional treadmills but is still very stylish. It has built-in speakers so you can plug your phone into it and listen to whatever you want, as loud as you want. It has a 2.5 horsepower motor that can go up to 8 miles per hour. This treadmill will cover you if you want a brisk walk or intense run. What makes this treadmill unique is that you can watch your stats in real time with its 4-window display to view your time, distance, speed, and calories burned all at the same time.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 8. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT7515 Smart Treadmill. The SFT7515 from Sunny Health and Fitness is going to get you the fittest you've ever been. This is a treadmill that is similar to ones you would find in a commercial gym, but much cheaper and space-saving. This machine has an amazing amount of technology in it for the price point. The first big feature is that it has an automatic incline. This will allow you to adjust the incline and intensity without having to get off, stop your workout, and adjust it manually. This will make it easier to progress through your workout without any interruptions. It also has an amazing 12 different levels of incline and can hit a top speed of 8 mph. The SFT7515 has all the features you need to get as fit as possible, and still has some great additions such as built-in speakers and Bluetooth connectivity. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.